Today, in the beginning of week 3 of our course on Reconstruction, we begin 2 weeks of looking at one of the great political crises of American history, the battle between Andrew Johnson and Congress over the course of Reconstruction. This week we look at Andrew Johnson himself, the president who succeeded Lincoln after Lincoln's assassination, and why, even though he came into power with great public support, why and how that disappeared and he ended up being completely isolated and eventually impeached and almost removed from office. What Johnson expected to happen in the South after the end of the Civil War, how what we call presidential reconstruction was installed and how it failed, and why the Southern governments that Johnson created seemed unable to accept the actual end of slavery, and how the policies of these governments increasingly alarmed more and more members of Congress, particularly but not limited to the radical Republicans in Congress, and much of Northern public opinion. So we will end this week by looking at Johnson's veto of the Civil Rights Bill of 1866 in the spring of that year, one of the most important laws in American history, and how that kind of created an unbridgeable impasse between Johnson and the Republican majority in Congress.